Hey, what's up, guys? So this is Ren. Shout out to Marvin Leonard and the Wholesale Underground course. I was actually one of the first ones to take the course way back when it got released. I think February, if not March. The course is super good, guys. I would highly recommend it. It's straight up, no BS. It tells you all things that you need to do just to get started with Amazon FBA wholesale. The price is phenomenal as well. I mean, especially if you compare it to other wholesale courses out there. But I think the most important thing for somebody who's taking a course like this is one-on-one mentorship. So if you have any questions, any concerns, if you need some products checked if it's going to be worth it or not, he's right there. And for me, that's priceless. So just highly recommend him. And if I need to take it again, I would do it.